Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into a Garena account using a mobile device. So you have a Garena account that you use to game. You want to log into that account and you want to log in using a mobile device, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into your Garena account using a mobile device in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you have to do in order to log into a Garena account using a mobile device is open a browser and go to mobile.garena.sg. Once you go to mobile.garena.sg, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here what you need to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner, then tap on the account option. Now once you tap on the account option, you'll land on an interface like this. Now this is the login interface for your Garena account. Now here you need to enter some credentials in order to log into your Garena account. So enter the Garena username or email or the phone number of the account that you want to log into, then enter the password of that account. So go ahead and do that. So once you enter the username and the password of the account that you want to log into, tap on the login button. So once you tap on the login now button, you'll successfully log into your Garena account using a mobile device. So those are the simple steps in order to log into your Garena account using a mobile device in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.